Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, this is part 3 of my gate construction that I've been doing. As you know, I put my fence up and then I put a gate up, but I didn't have a handle. And we've been looking for handles at various places, Lowe's, Home Depot, and it seems like no matter where you go, all handles that would go outside on your patio, they all pretty much look the same. So what we did was we decided to hold off, and well, it just so happens we had an opportunity to go to Paris, France. We found one at a salvage architectural place in Paris. They have like a big swamp meet, I guess. Buildings, some of them are, and some of them are just people set up on a blanket. Anyway, this one guy had a bunch of hardware, and we found this beautiful handle, and we brought it back. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Okay, so one of the things that I noticed when I first purchased it is I'm going to have to drill and tap so I can put a screw in here, because there's nowhere where I can screw this thing in. So let's get on the workbench. Okay, as you can see, I got this wooden clamp so it doesn't scratch it, just to hold it in place so when I drill, the handle's not going to move around. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap with a center punch. Once I've done that, then I can start drilling. You want to use some cutting oil or just any old oil just to keep the friction down as you drill. I'm going to drill about a 1/2 inch deep. I think that'll work for me. I don't have a drill press, so make sure when you drill nice and straight. Stopping every once in a while to give the bit a little oil to keep it cool. Okay, you want to check your depth, so make sure you have both ends drilled the same depth. Okay, it looks like we got them both drilled. Now it's time to tap and put some threads in the hole. Just add oil as you're tapping. Okay, it looks like we got our threads in. Let's get some washers and some bolts in there just to test it. Okay, we got our holes threaded. Now it's time to drill some holes on our gate. So we're measuring right now on center. I got about 7 7/8 on center, and I'm going to drill some holes in the door so we can start putting the bolts in and screw the handle. Okay, for me it looks like I'm going to want about 3.5 inches off to the edge, and the holes are going to have to be 7 7/8 on center apart. Now it's time to start drilling. Okay, I'm putting a washer in the back and one in the front so it'll help keep the handle stable as I screw it in. Once you got your washers and bolt in, go ahead and screw your handle in. Screw the top one in first and then do the bottom and you're good to go. Once you got the bolts started, go in the back and take a wrench and just tighten them up. Once you got everything tightened, you're done. Doesn't that look great? I'm really happy we held out and we found this one in Paris. It looks great. I love the detail. Anyway, I hope this video helped you, and please check out all my other how-to videos. I'm sure you'll find them very informative. Until then, we'll see you in my next video. We'll see you. Bye.